In this video, you are going to see how to make columns in Google Docs, as you can see here. I can make some dedicated lines as 2 or 3 columns, or I can make the whole page. So let's get started. Here I have the text. If I want to make it 2 or 3 columns, let us go to Format, go to Columns, and here you will see 2 or 3, and here is the another option, that is More option. Let me click on over here. If I want 2 columns, let us choose 2. If I want to increase the spacing, I can increase it from here. Let us click on Apply. Then the page will be divided into 2 columns. There is another option. Let us select this dedicated text, go to Format, go to Columns, and let us select 3. Then it will be divided into 3 columns. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.